Nate, wait, where are you going? What are you doing?
The secret room.
There's
like 4 feet.
Okay, yeah, so we have bathroom that ends somewhere here, and then it only goes about this far.
We're guessing.
Yeah.
Hot water heater, some plumbing.
And some bodies.
No. Is that blood? What is that?
Well, it's...
What is it?
I don't know. I don't like that. Is it paint? It's dry.
Go with paint, because that's very bright.
Alright. What's in the room?
Well, this was put in a long time ago, because they're flathead.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody in their right mind would choose to do that.
Moment of truth right here. Should we leave one in there and just... It's a body bag.
It's not a body bag. I was hoping to be able to like see back in there.
Goes all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Some sort of insulation for the plumbing? Okay, you ready?
So this panel was on the outside of the building, nailed shut and screwed shut.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh! It's another bathroom!
It's just been walled off.
Want some of these?
No. Yeah. Gross.
Nick loves spiders.
No.
Holy cow! Look at this! It's another bathroom!
What?
This is so cool! This is the women's bathroom.
Is it really?
Yeah. So there was a men's bathroom
Oh
inside.
my gosh.
This is the Omen. The Omen's
Omen
bathroom. Oh my
with a door
gosh.
that's just, holy cow.
Oh my goodness.
What?
This is so darn cool. They didn't tell us about this.
Nope. Oh, there's still cobwebs.
Oh my gosh, you'll be fine. Here, I'll give them a tour. You can stay on the outside.
They're deadly.
They're fine.
Spider's nest.
Here, I'm gonna touch them.
Nope.
Here.
Alright, I'm gonna go inside.
So we got a pretty little sink, a little broken mirror, and toilet.
We totally thought there was a hot water heater in here.
So there must not be a hot water heater. There must be no hot water.
I don't know.
What are we gonna do with 2 bathrooms?
Take this one out and put a shower in. 'Cause that's another drain.
Oh my gosh. Crazy. This is crazy. Galena, you don't understand the gravity of the situation.
Pretty sure this bathroom's cleaner than the one inside.
Who would have thought? Behind that board,
What?
alongside of our garage, there is a bathroom.
That's crazy.
We or Nick can.
Well, Nick's got. I'm not getting any higher on this ladder. Wait a minute.
Ready?
Makes you nervous on the ladder, or?
What's in the box?
Oh, is it heavy?
What if there's birds in there or something? It comes out of there.
Giant spiders.
No. What is it? What?
Okay. Thanks. Oh. Oh my god.
What is in there? Probably nothing.
Nothing? What?
What is it?
Little box. I wonder if that's like hardware.
More boxes.
Are you kidding? What was in it? Was it for light bulbs or something?
Does it say on it?
I don't like that one.
There's a bunch of metal in
You're
there.
right.
Oh, and
We
it
started digging behind the wall and found all sorts of goodies.
And coal.
And coal.
Is there any
Fortunately,
more?
I don't think there's anything left in these.
I wonder if they would like drink during the day and then just stash them back here. Oh wait,
I don't know. It looks great.
So we were looking behind the parts shelves.
and a genie bottle. But wait, there's more. We found another stash.
Oh wow.
Here, let me take them.
3. My gosh. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Please don't fall.
That's the money.
Jeez.
There's no money.
Up in the other attic.
Exploring and finding things. We found coveralls. Very, very dirty. But that's Ray.
Ray.
Probably hand sewn on there.
In his back pocket, he
In his
had.
back pocket, he had a bill from Dr. Lohr and Claren from Moscow,
42.
1942.
428, 1942.
For how much? $35.06. Professional services. And then this one, we don't know. It was 3 cents from Moscow. And he had some matches. And some broken matches. And then
A 1939 dime.
pretty darn cool. And a lock washer. And then back in the way back, it's a spanking paddle. Somebody hid his spanking paddle so he wouldn't get spanked anymore.
That is hilarious.
Oh my gosh, can we grab it? Yeah, go ahead.
Don't fall through.
Oh yeah, that's a sketchy spot. Is there anything else back here? I'm curious.
Oh yeah.
We should test it. We should try it out.
Oh, jeez.
That's made out of good Idaho clearwood too. There's no. That's
Wow.
not even plywood.
P29.
Is that a handwritten bill?
Yes.
They're handwritten bills.
That is cool.
Wow. Jeez.
This is
Wow.
so cool.
See it? See the
Oh,
bundle, of letters?
mail.
Still tied? I would leave it tied.
Jeez. Old curved window.
Oil barrels go all the way back into here. They go way back. That whole framing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it says gas.
There's a couple of them, but it's very brittle.
What?
That's cool.
That's awesome.
There's a bunch of boxes up here
There's a bunch of boxes up there?
of books and things.
What?
We need to stop. We need to start unpacking our stuff.
No.
Okay, so for cubby number 3, got lots and lots of boxes. And there were some neon signs back here, and there's some windshields here, and some tools.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's see what's in these boxes. Okay, and from the attic, we started to collect all of our treasures. What do we got?
In the attic and behind the wall.
No idea what this is.
Looks dangerous. If anyone has any ideas,
Yeah.
we've got an old, what was this one? Chromex piston rings. Piece of the coal in the coal room. This was cool. Kendrick Garage pens. Diabald oil products. Diabalds were the family that were here.
Mm-hmm.
That we got it from. Old Coors can. Let's see. Tobacco, antifreeze. We don't know what this was.
Well, I think it was a case for a battery.
Battery or telephone. And the liquor collection.
Yeah, there's a few.
These are all the ones that were in the wall. Some Seagrams and some American and Walkers. And then the mystery bottle still full of stuff.
And poison.
And poison gun cleaner. So these are old neon lights that were up in the attic. And if you can kind of read this one, GAS. Two
That one's-
S's. That one's broken.
But that one's complete.
That one is totally complete. So we might see if we can get that going again. That'd be cool. Huh.
Not that we have gas here, but. It's
But
so
just
cool.
for, you know, decoration. And then we also found lots of old records. This bill is from October 1929. And we found boxes of records, guys. So these are only some of the box. We got a full box here.
Old mail.
Records and mail. So we still have to sift through all of that paperwork. These are all rolled up with a wax string or a string. And so that it's just completely full of mail.
The old Western car lift
So
catalog.
that's the manual for ours, right?
That's just a catalog. A sales catalog.
Oh, there's our stands.
Yep. Yeah. So this one says 16,000 pounds. 49 Western. Has that new look.
So it's probably a little newer than 49, but not by much. And then here, I can see it. Nope, I don't have enough light here. It's an old ruler that they have nailed to the counter from Chevrolet in 1942 and Lewiston, Idaho. It's pretty neat. Huh. What do you think?
Anybody needs a very old Napa catalog?
That one's old. $1948.
Napa
Oh
catalog.
my gosh. That is so cool.
Wow.
Good year.
Tractor and implement tire sales manual. Aluminum Industries. Here we go. Master Parts Catalog. Genuine GM parts.
Oh my gosh.
1929 to 1949.
Holy cow. This is crazy.
That's so
We have
cool.
so much to go through. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, there was this one that was in there. We don't know. It's a big question mark. Have that one to go through still.
United Service Motors. Wow, those are some old books under there. 1951. Kaiser Delco Remy. Electrical service parts.
What are the old books? What are these? What's in the box?
Delco Remy. Another one. Service station manual.
Is there a year? Wonder if it's 49.
Date 49.
Huh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Gates.
You.
Hey, my water pump's by Gates.
1946. Gates Belt Guide. 1941.
Oh my
Gates.
gosh.
Fan belt and radiator.
1939. Right there. Right here.
Yeah.
What are you about to do?
Hopefully fire this up.
Been waiting for this day for a long time.
Some air pressures. This old girl.
So old. Gosh, I hope it works.
3-phase, 5-horse.
I mean, at least it's got a blow off valve if something goes wrong. We have a... That's the main. If something goes really wrong. Which one's the go button?
This one will give power. Pretty sure that's a reset or on, possibly.
This makes me nervous.
And one of those goes to the motor, and one goes over here.
So,
to
what can you run if this goes? What is the grand idea behind starting this?
the lift runs off of air. think that's a regulator.
We haven't.
Or, not a regulator, a pressure switch. I mean, they rewired it at some point recently from here to here.
Okay. Oh my gosh! There she goes! So dusty. It's not that loud, really.
No, it's quiet.
Ooh, we're at 25 pounds. That's actually really quiet. What do you think?
It's nice and quiet.
That's awesome. I don't see a date on it, which is a bummer. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got air in your shop! You got air! So you're saying we should stand back because it's so old?
Well,
Okay. Lena's smart. She's not scared of this one. Yeah, you're so brave. Finally shut off at
like 190?
190, and the blow-off valve worked. We heard that.
No, that was the pressure relief on the,
Sorry.
on
The-
the
The pressure valve, pressure relief valve.
yeah, I don't remember what they call it, but it makes it so that it is easier to restart. It doesn't start the compressor up against pressure. It like
Yeah.
bleeds off the pressure side of the head.
We've got one little leak from this valve here, but we'll fix that. But we have more important things. Only been waiting for how long? Since we saw it back in May. Oh, it moved. Oh my gosh, it moved. Oh. Lena, what's behind? She has no idea. Oh, oh, oh. Lena's like, what is that? What? What is that? Don't like that. That's awesome. Congratulations. We've got a lift. They work. They go up and they don't go shooting through the ceiling. How about that?
That's true.
Can you give me a ride on one? Please?
No.
Why? Give me a ride. That's down. Wrong direction.
What are you doing? It